Let's solve one interview question. Interviewer asks you need to find two number from a list that sum is the target. For that, I am using a hash map. First, I have to input that is a number and the target. The number contain a list of element. Now, I am install the value that is my index and the value of that my index. That two value I am installed in my hash map. That's I giving the name is nummap. This is my first iteration. Here my index is 0 and the value is 2. I'm find the complement. This means I do the subtraction of target value minus our iteration value that at that time we are in. Here my value is 7 and I am checking my map that is value available or not. If not, I will be added. I will add the value and the index. So let's add. Here I am add my value and index in my nummap. Now if I'm in my second place in my follow that is 7. In my 7 I can see that my I value is 1 because it's a first index and value is 7. If I do this find the complement of my target value minus that value I am in, that value is 2 and I am checking that in my hash map that is 2 that are in available. If it is available, I find the index of that value and my current index value, and that is my answer for that question. Here just we take a example. That's a program for doing that same things that I am tell here. If I run that here, I can see that my answer there was my answer output is 0 and 1 and in my 0 and 1 index that is 2 and 7. If I do sum of both number that is 9. Yeah, thanks for watching.